In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indicate where to sign in DocuSign. This guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can effortlessly set up your documents for electronic signing. Let's dive right in. First, you need to go to the DocuSign website. Simply open your web browser and type in the DocuSign URL. Make sure you've logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you might have to sign up first. DocuSign is a widely used platform for electronic signatures, making document sign-offs easier and more efficient than ever before. Once you're on the DocuSign homepage, move over to the Templates section, which you can find on the dashboard. Templates in DocuSign are pre-designed documents that can save you time since you don't have to start from scratch. Click on Templates and you'll access a list of available templates for you to choose from. Next, it's time to select the specific template you want to work with. Consider what type of document you'll need signatures for, whether it's contracts, agreements, or any other format that requires a signature. When you find the right template, click on it. This will open up the template details, allowing you to begin making necessary adjustments. After selecting your template, click on the Edit button. This feature allows you to customize the document to fit your needs. Ensure all the details and information within the template are accurate, as this step is crucial before moving forward. Take a moment to double check these details because sending incorrect information could lead to complications later on. Once you've confirmed all the information is correct, proceed by clicking Next. This action takes you to the document editor. The editor is where the magic happens, as it lets you specify where the signer should place their signatures. You'll see various fields here, such as signature lines, which can be dragged and adjusted according to your document's layout. Now, select the signature field from the available options in the document editor. This field is the digital equivalent of the line where someone would sign their name on a paper document. Once you've selected it, drag and drop this signature field to the precise location within your document where you need the signature. After placing the signature field, make sure everything is aligned and as you want it. Then conclude the process by clicking on Save and Close. This final step ensures all your changes are securely stored, allowing the document to be ready for distribution to signers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily indicate where to sign in any DocuSign document. You now have a ready-to-go document that is precisely organized, ensuring a smooth, seamless signing process for all involved. Thank you for watching, and happy signing.